Oh God, I have to get this thing done by tomorrow. I have to pray that the hello world to the screen. I pray it works. I pray it works. Oh no, let it work. Oh no, oh no, oh no. I forgot a semicolon.
That would have actually been funny if it wasn't true. So I know you have encountered this same scenario where you forget to put in your semicolons when after you're done writing that line in Java programming language. So is there a way around it? Yes, it's kind of a daunting task to do, and you might just probably end up remembering how to put your semicolons. But I want to show you how to avoid putting semicolons in the Java programming language. So let's just jump right to our computer. Let me just show you that and get away with it. So what are we talking about here? Many of you have run into that same kind of issue when you are programming Java programming language and you are doing something like this and you do like system.out.println. You put something like hello world. You put in hello world. Then you then forget to put in your semicolons. After you put the semicolon, you are going to actually run that code. So when you run that code, it's going to actually raise an error. Java C is going to actually raise an error here. So that's because you forgot to put in your semicolons, and they're actually telling here, they're not telling here expected. So what they're saying is the error is in line 3, and if you confirm it here, it's actually in line 3. The error, yeah, they expected a semicolon. So you should add in a semicolon there and build it again. You're going to see that it's going to actually work, going to be clean. So there's a way around that. I'm going to show you that real quick. So to actually avoid that issue, I'm going to use the print F. I'm going to use print F instead of print line. So you're going to use the print F instead of print line in the Java language. So you're going to write print F instead of print line. So let me show you how to demonstrate that real quick. So look at what I want to do here. Simply come down here and be like if, then you put in what you want to print out system.out is if system.out.println hello world. Then you come here equal to done. Now remember what I told you. I said use print F, not print line. Here we are print line. So if we run that, those will work. So let me quickly show you. So if we quickly run this, it's not going to work. So let me run that real quick. So yeah, it don't work. Actually, there is an error. It's just show you the error here. That the error is because it's actually recording for it. So it's our putting it the conditional statement. As I say, she use F. So let's remove this LF and this that F. So that if you run that again, it's going to work. So we've run that and it actually works. So it works. So already for you to watch this video, which means you are a Java programmer. So I know you've come into this type of error when you were first learning a Java programming language, when you forget to put in your semicolon. So if you learn something new, give this video a like. So it really shows hello world to this place. That's what I'm coding the sublime text. So from that, let me quickly run that in my my command prompts. So to open your command, type window arrow. After you type window arrow, type CFD and click on the enter keyboard there on your keyboard. So let me quickly run that. So that will be Java main.java. So if I run that, supposedly it's expected to work. So you can see here hello world. So actually printed out the hello world to the console. So the purpose of this tutorial was achieved. So you printed hello world to the console. So you tend to always forget to put in your hello world, your semicolon. Then this video will help you around avoid semicolon. Maybe you are coming from the Python programming language background, you move from Python to Java. So it's going to really help you out there. So there's one issue though. There's an issue I'd like to say. Apart from that problem, then you can always work with this. So that problem is simple. Okay, let's create a variable. If you want to create a variable, I'm going to leave a card above my head. One has to create a variable in Java families. I'm not saying that I don't want to create a variable. Just in case you don't know how to create a variable, just go and watch that video. Oh, the link is also in the description. So let's put in something like name is equal to Java mastery. That's not this YouTube channel. If you're not subscribed, better subscribe immediately so you can get all your Java tips and tricks. So if I should print that as system.out, no, not out of memory, system.out.print line, I should print out name, then save that. I should save that and come over here and actually run it again. We're going to notice something different. I already printed out hello world. That hello world we printed out before, and printed out Java mastery next to it. So that is one problem that can happen if you are actually avoiding putting your semicolons in the Java programming language. So you can encounter that problem. There's no let me see if there's actually a way out of it. So let me see if we should change this to print F. Maybe it might work. I've not tried it before. So if we should change it to print F. Let me see if it might work. So I've created that now. We're running to get on my command prompt. Okay. So it did not change. It printed out Java mastery and still printed out hello world all in the same line. So that's not helpful if you're writing production-based Java. And if you're actually writing production-based Java, which means you're experienced in the Java programming language. And for you to be experienced or to be an intermediate, that means you have stopped forgetting to put in your semicolons. So this video is really for the beginners who tend to forget to put their semicolons. So they're not writing production-based code, so they can actually use it in their program. So I'm done with that for now. So if this video was helpful, if you learned something new, if it helped you solve a problem you have been trying to solve ever since you started programming Java programming language, please leave a like, and just for the YouTube algorithm, leave a subscribe. So subscribe to this channel, Java Mastery. In this channel, we release Java videos. I teach Java and I show some insights in the Java programming language. Also give Java tips and tricks like this video, tips and tricks in the Java language. So if you love Java, you really love Java, you're a Java developer, you're experienced, you're a beginner, you're intermediate, this channel is for you. So go ahead and subscribe to this channel. And if you want to know the difference between the basic and intelligent idea, I have the link to that video in the description, and you can also watch it with the card put link above my head. Then I want that to the video. I had about last week, my course of preparing the video I uploaded. I don't know if you have watched that video. Link to show in the description. I found out that there's a particular problem in the Java programming language. Now I'm talking to the senior developers here. So if you're a intermediate Java developer or you know object-oriented programming with the Java programming language, I'm talking to you right now. So Java has this particular issue. You cannot accept two classes. Two parent classes. So you have a parent class, you have a child class. Want to that child class to extend two parent classes with the Java programming language is not accepted. If you want to know more about it, I have a video somewhere around here. Yeah, so click that video somewhere around here. And link to show in the description in case you don't see it here. I don't know. So watch that video. Check that video out to know more about it. So I'm going to see you next time. So thanks for watching. Goodbye.